Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting exponential math problem, which is 4 to the power a plus 4 to the power a is equal to 50. A is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths problem? So our math solution, our question, which is 4 to the power a plus 4 to the power a is equal to 50. This is our question. Now at this moment you can say here 4 to the power a is common. So if I take 4 to the power a is common, this divide this is 1 plus this divide this is 1 is equal to 50. Now this is 4 to the power a, 1 plus 1, this is 2, is equal to 50. Then I divide both sides by 2. This is 4 to the power a times 2 is equal to, this is 50, but I divide both sides by 2. Then these two cancel. This is 4 to the power a is equal to, this is 25, because of that 50 divided 2, this is 25. Now at this moment I use both side natural log. So log 4 to the power a is equal to log 25. Then you know that log a to the power r, which is r log a, I apply this exponential math formula. So this expression, it will be a log 4 is equal to log 25. Now I divide both sides by log 4. So this is a log 4 divide log 4 is equal to log 25 divide log 4. Now this log 4 is cancelled. A is equal to log 25. This is log 5 to the power 2. Log 4, it will be log 2 to the power 2. Now you can say this expression, it will be a is equal to 2 log, this exponent move on in front, 2 log 5, and this is 2 log 2. Now this 2 is cancelled. We'll find out a is equal to log 5 over log 2. Now you know that log a over log b, which is log a base b, if I apply this exponential formula, if I apply this natural log formula, we'll find out which is log 5 base 2. This is our final answer in this exponential expression. A is equal to log 5 base 2. Now let's verify, or let's check out our question, which is 4 to the power a plus 4 to the power a is equal to 50. This is our question. Now at this moment you can say here 4 to the power a which is log 5 base 2 plus 4 to the power log 5 base 2, this is the value of a, is equal to 50. Now this 4, you can say this 4, it will be 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, this is 4, and this 2 times this log 5 base 2, it will be log 5 base 2. And here same case, this is 2 to the power 2 log 5 base 2 is equal to 50. Then this will move on here and this move on here, so it will be 2 to the power log 5 to the power 2, here is base is 2, and this is also same case log, this is 2 and this is 5 to the power 2 is equal to 50. Now this is this case and this both are same, so it will be 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2, this is 25. So you can say easily this is 25 plus this is 25. Because of that this same, it will be 5 squared. 5 squared will be 25 plus 25, this is 50. So 50 is equal to 50. So left hand side and right hand side, both side is equal in this exponential expression. So our final answer, a is equal to log 5 base 2. This is our final answer in this math problem.